I actually wouldn't be surprised if that was like a staged thing by Trump just to get more sympathy.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Of course it's an equipment barrel, whatever.
Need equipment anyway.
Well, here's equipment. I was hoping it was a blue one so I could just summon more meteors again like last time.
Oh, dear God, please don't.
I see a red and a white.
Where are you at? There. Oops, dumbass.
What?
I don't want to hear no bitching about how I didn't open anything for you.
I have a card. I opened both of them.
Okay.
Dumbass! You are actually kidding me.
What?
Hell yeah.
We could play Mario Kart Party.
Ooh.
Good.
That sounds like fun.
Yeah, it does.
You fucking cocksucker.
You're a bitch!
Oh, hey, the game ended. What happened?